So, previous classes start differentiability, and I think one example is completed, differential of 2x plus 1 whole cube. Now, next example number 21. One thing you remember, suppose d by dx of x to the power n, since d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1, or you know in previous classes, that is class 11th, power into 1 power minus into, this can also written this into d by dx. This is the differential of power. आप फर्स्ट डिफरेंशियल किए हो पावर का इनटू डिफरेंशियल ऑफ बेस. व्हाट इज बेस? x. सो d by dx of x and d by dx of x equal to 1. dx by dx cancelled. So this can written n into x to the power n minus 1. But you this remember कि first differential power then into differential of base and dx by dx is equal to 1. So same as example number 21. Example number 21, differentiate here f of x is equal to sin x square. Differentiate f of x is equal to sin x square. So differential of f of x, that is f dash x. Differential of f of x denoted by f dash x, and here write, or this can written d by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of sin x square. Differentiate find करना. Then differential of f of x with respect to x is denoted by f dash x. This is the differential. Now differential sine. So what is the differential of sine? Cos. So differential of sine cos and angle is x square into, अभी आप साइन का डिफरेंशियल किए हैं, नेक्स्ट क्या होगा? d बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एंगल. यहाँ पे एंगल क्या है? एक्स स्क्वायर. सो इंटू डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर. So this equal to cos x square and d by dx of x square. Use this formula, power into and 1 power minus. So this equal to 2x into cos x square. This is the differential of cos x square, sorry, sin x square. Same as example number 23. Example number 23, differentiate. So first suppose let y is equal to sin cos x square, sin cos x square. Differentiate this with respect to x. So differential कर दें. So differential of y with respect to x, dy by dx. Now right side write d by dx of sin cos x square. So first differentiate of sin. पहले साइन का डिफरेंशियल करेंगे. ये होल आ गया एंगल के फॉर्म में. सो फर्स्ट डिफरेंशिएट साइन, एंड सिंस डिफरेंशियल ऑफ साइन इज कॉस, जो भी एंगल होगा नोट करोगे. सो दिस इक्वल टू डिफरेंशियल ऑफ साइन इज कॉस एंड व्हाट इज द एंगल? एंगल इज कॉस एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ कॉस एक्स स्क्वायर, डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ cos x square. Now differentiate of cos करेंगे differentiate. So this equal to cos x square and differential of cos minus sin. So minus sine and angle is x square into d by dx of angle. What is angle? X square. So d by dx of x square. This equal to this minus sign taking left side. So minus cos x square into sin x square, and differential of x square is 2x. This is the differential. So example 23 completed. Now exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. is differentiate the functions with respect to x. So first same as easy. Question number 4th, first, second, third easy. Question number 4th. Question number 4th is differentiate. So first suppose और डायरेक्ट dy by dx निकाल सकते हो. Differentiate, so direct use dy by dx. dy by dx of sec tan root x. Sec tan root x. So first differentiate sec, and what is the differential of sec? Differential of sec is sec x into tan x. So this equal to sec x. What is x? This tan root x. ये हो गया sec x into tan x. So tan root x. Differential of sec x into tan x into differential of angle, that is d by dx. What is angle? अभी आप sec का differential किए हो. Differential of angle. Angle क्या है? Tan root x. This is the differential of angle, tan root x. This equal to sec tan root x into tan root x. Now differential of tan. Differential of tan. So what is the differential of tan? Sec square x. So into sec square x. What is x? Root x into d by dx of angle. And what is angle? Root x. So this equal to sec tan root x into tan root x into sec square root x, and differential of root x 1 by 2 root x. Differential of root x is 1 by 2 root x. This is the differential. And question number 5, use formula u by v. 6 same, u into v. Question number 6, differentiate, that is d by dx of cos x cube into sin square x to the power 5. Differentiate करनी है. So their use formula u into v. This one is u and this suppose v. So use formula, that is product rule, u into v. What is u into v? First into second differential. Since d by dx of u into v is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So use this formula and use product rule. So this equal to u that is cos x cube into d by dx of sin square x to the power 5 plus v. What is v? Sin square x to the power 5 into d by dx of u. What is u? Cos x cube. So, use differential. This equal to cos x cube into d by dx. So, first differentiate power sin square, first differential power. So, power differential power into 1 power minus. So, 2 into sin x to the power 5 into d by dx of sin x to the power 5. First differential base power into 1 power minus into differential of base plus sin square x to the power 5. Here d by dx of cos and differential of cos is minus sin. So, write here minus sin x cube into d by dx of angle. What is angle? X cube. So, d by dx of x cube. This equal to cos x cube into, write here 2, this one is 2, into sin x to the power 5 and d by dx of sin. So, what is the differential of sin? Cos. So, cos x to the power 5 into d by dx of angle, that is x to the power 5 minus sin square x to the power 5 into sin x cube into d by dx of x cube. So, power into 1 power minus. So, its differential is 3x square, and now differential x to the power 5. So, this equal to 2x cube into sin x to the power 5 into cos x to the power 5 and differential of x to the power 5 power into 1 power minus. So, 5 into x to the power 4 minus this constant, right first. So, 3x square, now sin square x to the power 5, write same thing, into sin x के power x cube. This is the differential. आप इसको यहाँ पे इंटू भी कर दोगे, 2 into 5 into, that is 2 into 5 is equal to 10, इंटू कर देंगे. So, this is the differential cos x cube into sin square x to the power 5. Now, say my 7th question, number 9th. Question number 9th. Question number 9th is, prove that the function f given by f of x given mod x minus 1, where x belongs to R, is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Here, so that function is not differentiable. Function is not differentiable. We know that every differentiable function is continuous. So, if a function is not continuous, then it is not differentiable. If f of x is not continuous, then function is not differentiable. So, here differentiable at x is equal to 1. So, check that this function is continuous or not. For continuous, LHL is equal to RHL, that is left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So, check that LHL is equal to RHL or not. So, find LHL, and this function mod x minus 1 can also written, this value is x minus 1 if x greater or equal to 1, because when put x greater than 1 then x minus 1 is positive, and when x less than 1 then this value is minus of x minus 1 if x less than 1. So लिमिट एग्जिस्ट, 1 पुट करेंगे लिमिट वैल्यू 0 एंड लेफ्ट लिमिट ऑल्सो 0. तो फंक्शन तो लिमिट डिफरेंशिएबल या फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस, बिकॉज लेफ्ट लिमिट इज इक्वल टू राइट लिमिट. दिस इज द एफ ऑफ एक्स एंड फाइंड डेरिवेटिव. आप डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशियल निकाल दें. सो एफ डैश एक्स इज इक्वल टू दैट इज डिफरेंशियल ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स. So differential x minus 1. So what is the differential of x? 1, and condition is x greater equal to 1. That is when x greater equal to 1 then differential is 1, and its differential also 1 but sign here minus 1 if x less than 1. So when x greater than 1 then differential is 1, and when x less than 1 then differential is minus 1. This is called right hand derivative and this is called left hand derivative. So differential of any function exists if left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative. आप कितने टाइप से चेक कर सकते हो फॉर डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी? फर्स्ट, function is continuous. For continuity, first limit of f of x exists. Suppose limit of f of x does not exist, then function not continuous. If function not continuous then function not differentiable. ठीक है. और कब होगा not differentiable? When left hand derivative not is equal to right hand derivative, then function is not differentiable. So since LHD left hand derivative not is equal to RHD at x is equal to 1, both are not equal. LHD means left hand derivative. Therefore f of x is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Same as question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10 is f of x is equal to greatest integer function of x, and here the value of x is x less than x greater than 0 and less than 3, and so that is not differentiable at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Previous example, that is in chapter continuity, also proved that greatest integer function is not continuous at any integral point. ये previous class में बता चुके हैं. Greatest integer function is not continuous at any integral point. ये हम करवा चुके हैं पीछे एग्जाम्पल. Solution, we know that greatest integer function is not continuous at any इंटीग्रल पॉइंट. ये पहले हम दिखा चुके हैं. यदि एग्जाम में आता है तो उसको आपको दिखाना होगा. इसको ये कोई थ्योरम नहीं है. यदि एग्जाम में एक क्वेश्चन आ रहा है तो पहले आप प्रूफ करें कि दिस फंक्शन इज नॉट कंटिन्यूअस. इफ इट इज नॉट कंटिन्यूअस देन ऑल्सो इट इज नॉट डिफरेंशिएबल. सो देयरफॉर f of x is equal to greatest integer function of x is not continuous एट x इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड 2, 1 एंड 2 पे होगा नॉट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, एंड इफ फंक्शन नॉट कॉन्टिन्यूअस सो इट इज नॉट डिफरेंशिएबल. सो it is not differentiable at x is equal to 1 and 2, not differentiable. अब एक्सरसाइज 5.2 कंप्लीट है. अब जो रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन है इसको आप लगा लेंगे. सो नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट डेरिवेटिव ऑफ इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन. ओके.